In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully point your domain to Wix by updating the A record and setting the CNAME for www. Whether you're setting up a new site or transferring an existing one, connecting your domain to Wix is an essential step that doesn't have to be intimidating. We'll walk through the process together, and you'll see that it's much easier than it may seem at first glance. Let's start with updating your domain's A record. First, you'll need to access your domain registrar's account. This is the service where you originally registered your domain. If you're not quite sure which company this is, take a moment to review any confirmation emails you received when you first registered your domain, as these can often provide this detail. Once logged in, you'll want to look for the DNS settings. You can usually find this in a section labeled Domain Management, DNS Settings, or something similar. In the DNS settings, you should see a list of the existing DNS records for your domain. These records direct internet traffic. Much like signs on a highway direct cars. Locate the A record, which typically corresponds to the root domain, like yourdomain.com. If there's an existing A record, you'll need to update it with Wix's IP address. The specific IP address you need can be found in the Wix support documentation. If there isn't an A record already listed, don't worry. You can simply add a new one with the root domain pointed at the Wix IP address. After updating the A record, it's time to set the name for www to Wix. This might sound technical, but it's straightforward. In the same DNS settings area, look again for a record that includes www. This is usually listed as a CNAME records, which essentially redirects traffic from your www subdomain to the main domain. You'll need to change this existing CNAME record to point to www at domains.wix.com. If a CNAME record doesn't already exist for www, you'll have the option to add a new record. Choose the option to create a CNAME, enter www as the name, and set the target or value to domains.wix.com. Once these changes are made, make sure to save your settings. DNS changes might not take effect immediately. It can sometimes take a few hours, or even up to 48 hours for these updates to fully propagate across the internet. And there you have it. Your domain should now be connected to your Wix site. This process not only ensures your site is accessible via your domain, but also helps build familiarity and trust with your website visitors. If you run into any difficulties or your site seems unavailable, revisit these steps to confirm everything is set correctly, and don't hesitate to contact Wix support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made connecting your domain to Wix clear and simple.